If you're new to copy trading, don't worry, choosing your first trader can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be complicated, right? In this video, I'm going to be walking you step by step through the process so you can make a confident choice right from the start. Step one will be knowing yourself. Ask yourself, are you conservative, balanced, or aggressive? Now, conservative traders usually go for low risk leaders with the smaller swings, aiming for that slow, steady graph that you can see. Balanced traders accept moderate drawdowns for potentially better returns. Now, aggressive traders are comfortable with high volatility and bigger swings in pursuit of those higher gains. Right now, your answer on who you are will guide you on how you filter traders on the leaderboard. You can see here that we can apply the risk filter of low, medium, or high. Part two will be check track record. Okay, once you know your risk profile, check the trader's performance history. Don't just look at their total return, look at performance over different time frames. Are they consistently profitable over 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months? The reason why we do this is to make sure that they haven't just got a fluke month and that they are a professional regular trader that's going to be getting you those gains, even with the drawdowns. Now, talking of drawdown, what is the maximum loss from peak? Followers is another one. A higher follower count can indicate trust, but also check it alongside the other data. Consistency often beats sudden big gains. Right, a word from today's sponsor, which is Forex Trader. This is a prop trading firm that gives you access to up to $400,000 in capital. Once you pass their challenge, it's a two-step evaluation, challenge, then evaluation, with flexible trading limits and no time pressure. Once you approve, you get to keep 80% of the profits. They support MT4, MT5, and the PU Prime app. With access to 35 plus instruments, including Forex, commodities, indices, shares, and crypto, with only a maximum daily loss of 5 to 10% and a capital drawdown of 10 to 20%, depending on your account tier. Now, you can start with as little as $160 entry fee with that capital of up to 400,000. Now, there are no time limits on this either. You can trade smart, avoiding the funding risks, and get paid for your skill. Check out the link down in the description for more info. Let's get back to the videos. Now, part three is going to be your match trading style. So if you're a scalper, which means you open and close trades quickly, sometimes within minutes, high activity, more frequent gains and losses. Now we have a swing trader, which will hold trades for days or weeks, aiming to capture those larger price moves. Now, long-term traders hold positions for weeks or even months. Fewer trades, but often more strategic. What you can do is you can check the average trade duration in their profile to see if the style matches how you want your money managed. And part four, of course, is start small and monitor. When you've chosen a trader, start small. Don't be jumping in with your whole balance. Jump in with micro amounts. For example, you could do $50, $100. It all depends on your balance. But what you want to do is copy with an amount you're comfortable with. Then monitor the results over a few weeks. Then you can always adjust your investment amount or change traders as you learn more about how they perform. But finding your first trader is nice and simple. If you focus on risk, track record, and style, you start small, keep an eye on performance, and adjust as you go. Explore the leaderboard and start your copy trading journey today. But right now, PU Prime is running the copy and earn promotion. What you need to do is follow a signal provider's trades for at least 7 days, and you can claim up to $20 in deposit rebate vouchers. Now, promotion will be running from the 1st of August to the 30th of September 2025. So make sure you're locking in, clicking on those links in the description. Right now, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.